routine.
And this is exciting. It's exciting when you get that first routine under your belt, and especially being a home meet.
You got to make sure it's exciting and not nerve-wracking.
Absolutely. Here we go with her release. Great job. Beautiful handstand. Again, this Michigan team has really been working on the little things, and you can tell on their bar routines. Final handstand, beautiful job. All she has left is this dismount. Blind half into tough double front. Wow, well done. Great job. She's excited, the team is excited. And watch her beginning right here. Jumps over the low bar. That is not the easiest thing in the world, and she does it pretty dang well. Into this release, Pike Jaeger, great job.